Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to onboard your Saudi company to Invent ERP in compliance with local regulations. Let's get started. From your homepage, head to Quick Setup. Start by filling in your company information. Upload your company logo and ensure all details are accurate and match your official registration documents. Next, move to the accounting information section. Make sure you select the correct base currency for your company. You can then proceed to add your bank details, ensuring everything is entered correctly. Under tax settings, make sure to configure the 15% tax for both sales and purchases, in line with Saudi regulations. In the reports section, verify that all company details are correct. Upload your official company stamp and set your report watermark if required. Once everything looks accurate, go ahead and click Submit. Now let's move to the advanced company setup. Head to Settings, and then to Companies. Select your company, and review all the information again to ensure accuracy. Set the identification type to Commercial Registration Number, and enter your CR number under the Identification Number field. For the ZATCA API Mode, you'll find three options: Sandbox, which is used for technical testing; Simulation, which allows you to test the process from the customer side; and Production, which is used for live integration. For this video, we will select Simulation. Make sure to enter your full and accurate address details, zip code as the postal code, street 2 as the district name. All information must match your official records. Review all remaining fields carefully. You can also add your social media accounts if needed. If everything looks correct, click Save. And that's it. You have successfully completed the first step of setting up the KSA ZATCA module in Invent ERP.